Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains what the Mealime mobile app is, how it works, and whether it's a useful tool for meal planning and cooking. Mealime is available on iOS and Android and offers personalized meal plans based on dietary preferences and restrictions. Users can browse recipes, customize meal plans, and generate grocery lists. The app provides step-by-step cooking instructions designed to simplify meal preparation. It also includes features like nutrition information and portion control. Mealime's strengths include its user-friendly interface, wide variety of healthy recipes, and the ability to tailor meal plans to individual needs. However, some users report limitations in meal customization, such as not being able to fully modify ingredients. The free version offers limited access to recipes and features, encouraging upgrades to Mealime Pro. Additionally, syncing issues and occasional app glitches have been noted, which can disrupt the meal planning process. Some users also mention that the grocery list can be overwhelming or require manual adjustments. Overall, Mealime is a helpful app for those seeking personalized meal planning but has drawbacks related to customization limits, app performance, and subscription costs. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to the description for email.